Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the core prerequisites that often block verification. Check your account email is active and verified, because Pubg uses it for security tokens. Once done, make sure your device time, date, and region match your account. Mismatches cause token failures. Also, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G network and disable any VPN or proxy. This prevents location/SSL errors. These steps fix most basic failures quickly, and they prepare you for the next, more technical actions. Next, reauthentication and cache cleaning address stateful errors. You should log out of Pubg, stop the app, then clear cache and app data. This removes stale tokens that block verification. After that, reauthenticate using your original platform, Google, Apple, Facebook, or convert a guest to an account so the server links correctly. Make sure to check your Google Play or App Store receipts for pending or failed purchases, because incomplete transactions often trip security checks. These steps resolve common mid-process verification failures. To finish, confirm both Pubg and your device OS are up to date, then reboot. Updates fix certificate and protocol mismatches that block verification. You must also verify you're signing into the correct account if you use multiple accounts. Unlink any incorrect bindings that confuse the security flow. If verification still fails, gather your account ID, a short device log, and the exact failure time, and contact Pubg support. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a mobile hotspot to rule out ISP or router interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.